Welcome to Kindergarten Mathematics Module 5, Topic E, Lesson 22, MathCast. The intended audience is kindergarten. The learning objective is to decompose teen numbers as 10 ones and some ones, compare some ones to compare the teen numbers. This was created by Rebecca Lugo. Key vocabulary before we begin are more, less, equal, and number bond. More is having a bigger amount of something. There are 1, 2, 3 monkeys. There is 1 lizard. There are more monkeys than lizards. Less is having a smaller amount of something. There are 1, 2, 3 monkeys. There is 1 lizard. There are less lizards than monkeys. Equal is having the same amount. There are 1, 2, 3 monkeys. There are 1, 2, 3 lizards. There is an equal amount of monkeys to lizards. A number bond is a model that represents the relationship between a total and its parts. The two parts represent the total. In the number 13, we can separate it into one group of 10 and one group of 3 to make a total of 13. Let's do some practice. In this example, we are going to circle 10 apples, circle 10 oranges, write how many are in each group, then check the group that has less. Remember, we defined less as having a smaller amount. Let's begin by counting out 10 apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's circle those 10 apples. For oranges, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's circle those 10 oranges. Now let's write how many are in each group. For apples, there are 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 apples. For oranges, there are 10, 11, 12 oranges. 12 is less than 15. Let's do some more practice. In this example, we are going to count and write the number, then circle more or less. For example, there is 1 cube, and there are 1, 2, 3, 4 cubes. 1 cube is less than 4 cubes. Let's begin. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 cubes. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 cubes. 12 is less than 20 because it doesn't have as many cubes. Let's try one more practice problem. In this example, we are going to fill in the number bond, then check the group with more. Remember, we defined more as having a larger amount. In this example, 7 is separated into one group of 5 and one group of 2. 8 is separated into one group of 5 and one group of 3. 8 has more than 7. 16 has already been split into one group of 10. This is the one group of 10. Let's count how many circles are left over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 16 can be split into one group of 10 and one group of 6. 17 has been separated into one group of 10. Let's see how many circles are left over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 17 can be split into one group of 10 and one group of 7. Now we can see that 17 has more than 16. Resources used in this MathCast are thanks to engageny.org. Thanks for learning with me, Rebecca Lugo, creator of this MathCast.